Agitating students are gathering in front of Raju Bhaskarya of Dhaka University to demand 1-point reform of quota system in government jobs. They have also called for a protest this afternoon in protest against the insulting statements about the agitators. Today at 12:10 p.m. the first procession came in front of the Raju sculpture. Later, a group of students from Dhaka Medical College and Bodrunnesa Government College came with the procession. After that, students come in groups in front of Raju sculpture. On Sunday night, the students gave the government 24 hours to call an emergency session in the National Assembly to demand rational reform of the quota of all grades of government jobs. They made this demand with a memorandum to the President through the Podojatra March program. On the other hand, Chhatra League BCL has called for a sitting program today at 3 p.m. in protest against insulting the spirit of liberation war.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।